In this tutorial, we will investigate plate motions, and the example that we will calculate is how long it takes for Los Angeles to be directly opposite Oakland. How long for Los Angeles, so LA, to be opposite Oakland. So Oakland is a city that's near San Francisco on the eastern side of the San Andreas Fault, and Los Angeles is a city south of Oakland on the western side of the San Andreas Fault. So we need to know the motion of the San Andreas, which we'll just call SA, the San Andreas Fault, and the rate at which the plate moves is 35 millimeters per year. So this small amount of annual motion, we will investigate how long it takes for the two cities that are currently have a distance. So the distance from LA to Oakland is currently 640 kilometers. And we're interested in understanding how long it takes the motion of the plate to bring the two cities in line with each other. So to do that, we'll use the equation that we've used in previous chapters. Distance equals rate times time. And in this case, rather than trying to calculate a distance, which we've done in previous tutorials, for this example, we're interested in solving for the time. So in this case, the time that it will take for the two cities to be opposite each other is given by the distance between them divided by the rate at which the plates move. Okay, and those numbers that we wrote down in the previous screen, so that the distance between the two cities is currently 640 kilometers, and the rate at which the San Andreas fault moves is 35 millimeters per year. So to move forward with our calculation, we need to be sure to have the units the same. Here we have kilometers in the numerator and millimeters in the denominator. So we need to have those two numbers with the same units. So 640 kilometers is the same as 640 times 10 to the 3 meters. So we'll divide that by the rate of plate motion, the 35 millimeters per year. So we still don't quite have the same unit, so we'll need to do one more unit conversion. And so if we'd like to switch from meters into millimeters, then we'll have 640 times 10 to the 6 millimeters, because there are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. All right, and again we'll divide by the rate. And now we can see that the units are in fact the same. So we have millimeters in the numerator and millimeters in the denominator, and that's what we need. So now we can go ahead and divide those two numbers, and we're left with a very large value of 18.3 times 10 to the 6th years, and this is equivalent, so our total time, this is equivalent to 18.3 million years. So it will be quite a long time before Los Angeles is opposite Oakland, and the Dodgers would play the Oakland A's in a crosstown rivalry.